Modern window cleaning robots are no longer just gadgets. They are sophisticated domestic partners, equipped with precision sensors, high-pressure sprays, and enough suction to defy gravity with grace. In this video, I will show you the best robot window cleaners.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Ecovacs Winbot W2S. If your home is architectural and modern, you likely have those stylish, narrow windows or glass partitions that standard robots simply find too bulky to handle. This is where the Ecovacs Winbot W2S enters the scene as a true specialist. This window cleaning robot comes with 6 smart cleaning modes: deep, fast, precision, spot, and edge, so you can easily pick the right option for any task. Use deep mode for tough dirt, fast mode for quick touch-ups, or spot cleaning for specific stains. With the upgraded WindSlam 4.0 system, it intelligently maps the surface, detects edges, and follows an efficient cleaning path. This ensures thorough coverage with fewer missed spots and consistent results every time. It takes the hassle out of cleaning by handling the job automatically. Perfect for large windows, glass doors, mirrors, and frameless surfaces, it helps you clean hard-to-reach areas safely without needing ladders. Thanks to its slim and compact design, it can also work on smaller panes, narrow windows, and tight spaces where bigger robots might struggle, making it a great choice for apartments, offices, and modern homes. On number 2, we have Schbot Wind X3. When you move into the territory of heavy-duty reliability and versatility, the Schbot Wind X3 stands out as a robust workhorse. This machine is built for those who want a set-it-and-forget-it experience across various glass types, including both framed and frameless surfaces. The Wind X3 window cleaning robot delivers a smarter and more efficient way to keep your windows spotless. It comes with a built-in 60 milliliter water tank and an automatic spray system, so there's no need to apply water manually. The front spray evenly moistens the glass, helping achieve a thorough, streak-free finish. Perfect for modern homes that value convenience and time-saving solutions. Powered by advanced AI technology, it uses 4 precision sensors to navigate safely and accurately across all types of glass, including frameless and angled surfaces. Its intelligent edge detection helps prevent falls or getting stuck, even around corners and window handles. With a strong 3,000 Pascal suction power, the Wind X3 stays firmly attached to glass surfaces while delivering consistent and effective cleaning. It easily removes dust and dirt, making it suitable for both home and commercial use, and ensures crystal clear, streak-free windows every time. On number 3, we have Ecovacs Winbot W2S. For the ultimate enthusiast who demands the pinnacle of cleaning technology, the Ecovacs Winbot W2S represents the gold standard. This isn't just a robot, it's an entire cleaning ecosystem. It features the groundbreaking True Edge Scrubber, a specialized tool that actively tackles corner dust, the final frontier of window cleaning. Manual cleaning often leaves edges untouched, but this window cleaning robot solves that with True Edge technology and 200 revolutions per minute pads. It can clean as close as 1.1 millimeters to corners, giving you a spotless, wide, and professional-looking finish. Cleaning uneven edges by hand can be tricky, but this robot automatically detects window frames, lowers its pad to scrub edges, and lifts it afterward for smooth and efficient cleaning. No need for repeated passes. Tough, dried stains are easier to handle thanks to the upgraded 3-nozzle wide-angle spray, which delivers higher pressure and longer spray time. This helps break down dirt more effectively, so surfaces are cleaned in one go. For large indoor windows, the wired mode ensures continuous operation without interruptions. It extends usage time and keeps the robot ready whenever you need consistent, hassle-free cleaning. So, these are some of the best robot cleaners to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.